I'm passing by.
It was written in the scriptures about eternal people, an exemption of the move of God like never seen before, led by a vessel that descended straight from heaven, backed by mega signs, wonders and miracles. And now, pay attention.
I can prophesy. I can speak. I can prophesy. I see a fuel station somewhere. You know fuel station where they put fuel for cars?
Yes, I know the fuel station.
I'm seeing a fuel station.
Yes.
Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you, Lord Jesus.
It is my desire. What I remember, it is my desire. One of the business that I want to open.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
About fuel.
Yes.
You want to open a fuel.
Yes.
So I've seen it, but it will work.
Amen.
Show it.
Amen. I receive it. I receive it.
I touch and I prophetic.
I
Now I'm going to swing and kick.
Prophetic! Look at that! Prophetic!
Because I prophetic.
The moment that the brother Ron was praying for me, that was like, I can't say that it was electricity, but it was a power moving me without my control. I couldn't have the control over my body. Like right now, I call the power of the Holy Spirit. That's the Holy Spirit at work.
Passing by.
And
as the servant of God passes by.
Now this one, it was a pass by. It's a prophet what?
Pass by.
It's called a prophet shadow. What's happening?
I don't have energy.
Where's your energy going? Did I touch you?
I can't understand.
You can't understand. But you understand?
Yes.
So I was passing by. It's called a prophet shadow. A prophet what?
Shadow.
And now you can't understand. Oh Jesus.
Yes, sir.
You are Lord. So you can't stand? Huh? Why? Because I was passing by? You didn't want me to pass by?
I'm feeling so weak.
You're feeling what?
I'm feeling so weak.
But as for me, I was just passing by. I was just passing by. That's why I don't go to town. I don't go to the city. I have our own city here. Look at my calves.
The power in the shadow of the servant of God.
Even in calves, you can't look at them. See how she's breathing. You see? She just looked at my calves.
Big time.
So that's why, in most cases, we prophet touch. If it becomes so hard, I prophet kick.